Have you ever taken a moment to wonder how those little colorful bricks you played with as a child are made? Lego has been around for more than 80 years and has become an essential reference in the toy world. But have you ever thought about the incredible process behind each brick, from mold design to plastic injection? This entire journey is a true technical adventure worth seeing. Today, we dive together behind the scenes of Lego manufacturing. From the very first sketch to the final packaging, every step is a blend of precision and meticulous engineering. Pay close attention, because some stages are so fascinating they almost look like the work of a master craftsman. Lego bricks come in a huge variety of shapes, from the classic 4x4 to far more complex pieces with specific functions. But where do all these new shapes come from, and how are they imagined? That's where Lego designers come in. Over 200 creators from diverse backgrounds such as industrial design, architecture, and graphic arts. They combine creativity, technical expertise, and advanced digital tools to bring their ideas to life. It all starts with a brainstorming phase, where ideas take shape through sketches or physical prototypes. Then, these concepts are modeled on a computer to guarantee perfect compatibility with other bricks, because interconnection between every piece is at the heart of the Lego experience. If you find this process as fascinating as we do, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. It really supports us and allows us to bring you even more quality content. Once the design is approved, it moves on to the next step, mold creation. Each new piece requires a specific mold made with extreme precision using specialized machinery. It begins with a master metal model based on the 3D file. This model is then used to form the mold insert, made from an ultra-resistant steel alloy. This component is machined using EDM technology, which cuts with incredible precision through electrical sparks. The insert is then set into an aluminum base that channels molten plastic through the mold cavities. But before being used, every mold undergoes rigorous testing. Through a trial injection, the quality, shape, and consistency of the result are verified. Once validated, the mold is installed in a plastic injection machine that brings the bricks to life. Plastic pellets, often ABS, are heated and injected into the mold at high pressure. They quickly solidify, giving birth to the final brick. The pieces are ejected, then carefully inspected and sorted according to shape and color. Some bricks are made from single-color plastic, while others use multiple colors thanks to a highly sophisticated co-injection system. Even elements like wheels, doors, and minifigures are made through this advanced injection process, sometimes followed by extra steps such as painting or printing. Then comes the finishing stage, where the sprue, the small excess of plastic, is removed using precision cutting and sanding techniques. After that, the final details are added, logos, patterns, or other essential markings. Each brick is then automatically sorted and packaged, often in bags or boxes, ready to be shipped worldwide. Lego also carries out extremely strict safety tests to ensure every brick is non-toxic, strong, and safe for children. This high level of quality control and technical mastery is what has allowed Lego to become much more than just a toy. It's a universal symbol of creativity and limitless building.